Welcome to my channel Pallavi Digital Arts. Bill Gates Biography. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft and a renowned philanthropist, has many interesting stories from his life and career. Here are a few notable ones. The founding of Microsoft. In 1975, Bill Gates and Paul Allen, childhood friends with a passion for computer programming, founded Microsoft. Their big break came when they secured a contract with IBM to provide an operating system for IBM's first personal computer. Despite not having an OS ready at the time, Gates and Allen bought an existing OS, modified it, and delivered MS-DOS, which became wildly successful. The Harvard Dropout. Bill Gates famously dropped out of Harvard University to pursue his dream of starting a software company. This decision, while risky, paid off immensely as Microsoft grew to become one of the most influential technology companies in the world. Competitive spirit. Gates was known for his intense competitive spirit. A famous story involves Gates challenging a Microsoft programmer to solve a complex problem. When the programmer succeeded, Gates promptly offered him a job, showcasing his keen eye for talent and drive to have the best team possible. Antitrust case. In the late 1990s, Microsoft faced a massive antitrust lawsuit from the US government, accusing the company of maintaining a monopoly and engaging in anti-competitive practices. The trial was a significant event in the tech industry, and while Microsoft was found to have violated antitrust laws, the company was not broken up as initially feared. This case led to changes in Microsoft's business practices and a shift in Gates' role within the company. Philanthropy. After stepping down from his day-to-day role at Microsoft in 2000, Gates focused on philanthropy through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The foundation has donated billions to causes such as global health, education, and poverty alleviation. One remarkable story is Gates' commitment to eradicating polio, which has seen significant progress due to his foundation's efforts. The Billionaire Pledge. In 2010, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett launched the Giving Pledge, encouraging billionaires to commit to giving away the majority of their wealth to philanthropic causes. This initiative has garnered commitments from numerous wealthy individuals worldwide, significantly impacting global philanthropy. The COVID-19 response. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Gates emerged as a vocal advocate for public health measures and vaccine development. The Gates Foundation committed substantial resources to fund vaccine research, distribution, and efforts to ensure equitable access to vaccines globally. These stories highlight Bill Gates' impact on technology, business, and global philanthropy, showcasing his drive, vision, and commitment to making a difference. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.